Hello home bakers, in this video I'm going to show you how to decorate your cakes with a stencil. It's a really short video, so watch to the end. First thing, you want to decorate on a cake that has been chilled in the fridge so that your buttercream has set. You're then going to apply a thin layer of buttercream on top of the stencil, and you do this using a angled palette knife. You can use a straight palette knife if that's all that you have, but an angled palette knife will allow you to apply the buttercream easier. So you want to make sure that the buttercream is covering the entire surface of the stencil, but be careful to stay in the lines of the stencil. Then you want to use a plastic smoother to gently scrape off the excess buttercream. If you've been a bit too vigorous and you see some gaps, just apply some more buttercream and then gently scrape off so that you have a nice smooth surface. I leave for a few minutes till the buttercream sets, and while I'm doing that I'm preparing my paint. So I'm using edible food dust, which I mix with rejuvenating spirit to create my paint, and then I'm just going to gently paint within the boundaries of the stencil. Now if you don't want to paint, you can leave it to have the same color as your buttercream. It will still look nice, but in here I like the color. So paint the entire surface and then gently peel off the stencil to reveal your decorated buttercream stenciled underneath. Now be sure to be very gentle so that you don't smear your hard work, and voila, there it looks like. And I did this all around the cake for a nice decorative finish, and there's my finished cake. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more cake videos. Happy baking.